Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best bathroom wall shelves that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Organize It All Wall Mount 2-Tier Chrome Bathroom Shelf. Last but not the least is this reliable shelf. As the name suggests, this rack will make organizing a simple task. The 2-tier bathroom shelves will undoubtedly fit most of your needs. The metals are well designed to make it very sturdy. Other features include the towel bar for the hanging of the towels. Moreover, the shelves are easy to clean and maintain with a damp piece of cloth. In terms of installation, you will spend the last time. Its large spacious designs will definitely fit most of the soaps and perfumes. On the other hand, the durable metal used ensures it can be used for other tasks in the kitchen. You will never lack what to store on the shelves. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Creative Bath Complete Collection 2-Shelf Wall. Great shelf rack like this creative product can really make your organizing task very easier. Of course, with the 2-shelf walls, this can fit your perfumes and soaps. With the dimensions of 20 inches by 8¼ inches and further 18 inches, this can be great storage solution for your item. Besides this, it will occupy the last space of your bathroom. On the other hand, the package comes with the necessary tools and instructions that make installation an easier exercise. Furthermore, the metals used are greatly designed to fit your room's decor. If that is not enough, well, the metal is rubbed with a bronze finish to prevent it from rust. This makes it ideal for use in wet areas. At number 3, we have the Songmics Adjustable Bathroom Slim Shelf. When you hear of Songmics product, you must associate it with quality. This one fits into the category as the 100% bamboo used makes the shelf durable. On the other hand, it has 3-tier shelf to keep all your items from decorative to sundries and spices. Moreover, it's one of the greatly designed racks as it features 5 positions, and 3 shelves that can be removed. Besides, this rack can either be wall-mounted or just leave it to stand close to the wall. This will undoubtedly save space and thereby make your home look well organized. For assembly, don't worry, as it comes with screws and the exercise is simple. This one will occupy the least space of your room. But the main strength lies in the items that it will keep. At number 2, we have the MyGift Decorative 3-Tier Shelf Wall Mounted. This MyGift shelf will add a great look to your house. Its perfect decoration will make your room look elegant. It boasts of the 3 shelf baskets that will fit all your perfumes and shampoos. On the other hand, the shelf is versatile enough to be used in the kitchen for storing the spices and other kitchen tools. You will never lack how to utilize the space. Moreover, in the bathroom, it will enable you to access the shampoo and other soaps easily. Other items that it comes with includes the cleaning towel and the mounting tools. With this organizing, your items will be easy than it has never been before. Likewise, the white metals used not only makes it sturdy but also very durable. With this, your home will be tidy than never before, as well as the design will make your house very attractive. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pretty Display Acrylic Bathroom Shelves. This can be great for use if you want the shelves to mount above your sink. It comes with the stainless steel tools that make installation an easier exercise. What's more is the acrylic grade, a material used that ensures the rack is safe for use. In fact, for the wet areas, acrylic performs the best as it doesn't tarnish or rust. In addition, the 2 inches length will fit most of your items from cosmetics to perfumes. Its versatility will also ensure it's able to hold jars and bottles, giving you plenty of room elsewhere. Besides, the attractive nature ensures it can be placed anywhere in the house. You can even decide to display your books and spices. In all these places, it will add an attractive decor. Additionally, the mounting can be done anywhere, even on a shower shelf. It looks great when used as a 2-tier rack. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.